Okay.
My name is Khale Gabriel Nada Perez. So,
Oh, what's our lesson today? It's about
sight,
sight. And what do you use to see colors?
eyes.
Your eyes. Very good. Okay. So what colors do we have here?
We have blue, yellow, red.
Okay. So our experiment will be to make new colors out of these are called primary colors. Okay?
And purple is a primary.
No. Okay? So we're gonna make what we call secondary colors. Okay? So first, what do we need? We need a brush. What else? Paint. What else?
A book.
Yes, and
This.
yeah, it's our makeshift palette. What
It's
else?
our makeshift palette.
What else? What's here?
Over there, that's water.
Water for washing. Yeah? So you can wash a brush. Okay?
What if
Let's
this
start.
one gets wet?
It might. Okay? Let's start. You can open it. So the other pages won't get wet.
It's hard.
Yeah.
Excuse me. You put paint here, huh?
Okay. What's the first color that you want to try? Oh, you put muna daw the blue, the yellow, and the red.
What about?
Come on.
I will pick
Poppy,
that.
put the blue, the yellow, and the red. Come on.
Where's color blue?
There.
Make a circle. Make a...
Hold it properly, anak.
Lunch.
No, don't do that.
Oh. Make a circle. Hold it properly.
Not so big, ha? Okay. Then wash it.
Wash it. And then, what color do you want to put next?
No, you put all the primary colors in one.
What about yellow?
Okay, put it under the blue, okay?
Okay.
Hold it properly.
Some more? No need. It's too wet.
Get more paint.
Okay, and then the last one down. You put the
No, it's not getting wet, anak. Make a red circle.
It's becoming green water.
Can you hold it properly, love?
Hold it properly.
Like a pencil. Yan.
Get a,
No,
what's
red.
the next color?
Red.
Yeah. Put under the yellow. Okay. So what do you want to combine with blue first?
Yellow.
Oh, you put yellow here. Make a yellow circle here.
On the side.
Yeah. Beside
Hold
the
it
blue.
properly, anak. The brush. Hold it like a pencil. Like a pencil.
No. Here, beside the blue. Good. And for yellow, what do you want to put? What do you want to put beside yellow?
Blue.
Okay.
I mean, maybe red.
Okay.
Get some
Then
red.
we'll start mixing.
Get some red. Hold it like a pencil.
Are we going to
Hold
mix?
it like a pencil.
Are we going to mix?
Yes, we're gonna mix. Get the red paint.
It's a little bit pink.
No, it's red. And then what will we combine with red? What's the missing color? There are already 2 yellows and 2 reds.
What about
What's the missing color?
red?
We already have red here.
Another blue?
Yeah.
Yes. Get it. Hold it like a pencil. Get more paint, baby. Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna start combining colors. Okay? We'll start with the first one. The first one is blue and yellow. Okay?
I'm gonna get a little bit here. Blue. Then I'm gonna get some yellow.
We're gonna combine.
Yeah. Oh, combine them using the brush.
You mix them using the brush.
Hold it like a pencil.
Orange water now.
No,
Before it
combine
was green.
Sige, mix
Mix
them
it.
together.
Look what color it's becoming into.
What is it?
Green.
Green. Okay, so now you're going to put it here. Good.
Good.
Okay, what's the next one?
It's yellow and red.
Okay, let's try that.
Okay. Again, I'm gonna get some colors, huh?
We have lots of colors now.
You get yellow.
Then
and red.
red.
Now, combine them together, please.
This is a new color and it's Nanay's favorite color.
What is it?
Orange.
Okay,
Good.
make a circle now. There. Can you hold it like a pencil, love? Okay, and the last one.
Red and blue.
Okay.
Okay, so red. And blue. Okay. Phil, combine them together. Hold it like a pencil, please.
I don't know if it's turning into violet or black
What do you
or
think?
purple. Take a closer look. It looks like red fantasy.
What is that?
What color is that?
Maybe I put a bit.
Blue? Will it turn into violet?
You see. I think I put a little blue only, so I added more.
It's brown!
Are you sure?
See? It is brown. Before it was brown, now it's covered with blue.
Can I try it?
Yeah. Oh my! This looks like... This is the king of paint!
What is that? This one?
Black!
No, it's not.
Hmm?
Are you sure?
I think it's dark pink.
We'll
Looks
try
like
it
he must
again.
have been
Jill,
sure.
ha? Maybe I put too
Yeah,
much.
we have to put the right amount of colors.
Yeah.
Or with infrared goggles. Chase has the spy.
Ay, healthy na baby, ha? Wait.
Do it.
Opo, wait lang.
Now the water's turned into brown. Huh? Looks like coffee brown. Coffee brown.
Combine them, please.
It's getting more like that color. It's purple,
See? It becomes violet.
violet. I
Okay?
thought it was,
Can you try there, please? Can you make a circle?
oops, I need some more.
So it became
Violet.
violet. Okay? So can you tell me again? Let's have a recap. What are the primary colors? This one are the primary colors. What are
Blue,
those?
yellow, red.
Okay, and when you combine blue and yellow, it becomes?
Green.
When you combine yellow and red, it becomes?
Orange.
And when you combine red and blue?
Violet.
Very good. Okay. Did you have fun in our little experiment?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.